Welcome back, everyone. You know, there's a new text notification system that's out there, and here to talk about that is Tammie Colon and Dan Faraglia from the Mental Health and Recovery Services Board. Welcome.
Thank you.
I said the right name, right?
You did.
I said it right.
Good.
Okay, good. So there's a new notification. Tell us what this is all about.
So it's a text alert system. You know, we look at it as something, a way to get information out to the public. We made it as simple as possible. You will simply text start to the number provided, and you'll get an automatic response. And then you can identify what topics you want to receive information about. And there's several on there, but the intent is just to get information out there.
Right. And for those that might be, you know, striking their interest right now hearing this, what kind of information are we talking about that, you know, this looking for some sort of information? What kind of information?
Yeah, so any education materials that are out there, community provided resources, overdose spike alerts, where you can get Narcan, events that are happening, or just traditional resources on how to reach out to the providers in the community.
Okay, so this would be a very beneficial opportunity for many people out there to get that information that may not be aware, because, you know, if they, let's say they want to go to some sort of event that might be helpful for, let's say, some sort of recovery, they may not know about it, but then they can find out through this simple text.
It is,
right?
It is, and it's that simple. So we're sending out the reminders, getting it in people's hands. You never know when it's going to reach that one that makes a difference. And it jogs a memory that whether you're having a hard time, because the app is intended for everybody. Whether you're going through substance use issues, mental illness, you're a provider, you're a professional, you're a family member, a friend, anybody can get that information and give it to others.
Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah. So information is always the key, right, Tammie? You know, just
absolutely.
You want the information, because without information, you don't know what to go, where to go, or.
Correct. And, you know, we partner with our local health department, so there's a section on there, too, and opportunities for health scares. You know, if we'd have had this years ago when COVID was around, we would have been able to directly communicate with whoever subscribed on where you could go get your vaccinations, what the conditions of our community were looking like, and really inform people from the organizations that get the accurate information from the state.
Right. And Dan, you had mentioned that you could sign up for specific notifications, right? So you're not going to get bombarded with every single thing that's out there, right?
That's correct. As soon as you signed up, you'll get sent a link immediately. And then you click on the link, and there's no downloading of an app. Once you're inside on the link, there's 6 different categories, and you could deselect or select whichever ones that are of interest to you, and those are the ones you'll get notifications for.
Right. And are the notifications, are they mostly just for our local community, or is it for nationwide, or both, or?
Well, I think we're taking whatever information we can, you know, looking at it that providers or any agency can ask that we get information out there, because getting information out there, there's never a spot you want to say, no, that doesn't fit. But it's intended to be for our local resources in this and surrounding area.
Yeah, and like you said, that whether you're a provider, someone that needs help yourself, a friend, family member, a friend, you know, information really is the key to help others or yourself. So that's a great thing. So all you do is text START to 888-701-2578. You get the information, you sign up for what you want to be notified about, and then you get those text messages when anything important comes across, right?
Yep, that's it. It is that simple. You will get asked to put your zip code in. It is just for geographical mapping. You know, there's no other intent other than that. And you could deselect at any time by saying, I want removed from this, or a stop feature. But you don't have to download anything else.
All right, well, Tammie and Dan, that's such a great asset to our community. Thanks for coming in and telling us all about it. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Thank you.
All right, well, don't go away, because we have more when we return.